He's licking his chops.
Dude, I just walked out of this garage with his head down, and he's fucking 2 feet away from me. I almost shit my pants. He was in the garage.